Good morning, welcome to another episode of Rule. This is super cool, we're making progress, we're getting the insulation in, electricity is going in. I like it when things move forward. And we're also getting the lawn done, at least, well, we had a lot of groundwork done, but now we're getting the lawn done. It looks like you could play pool here. And until the dog decides to start digging holes again. But it's so cool, they got all these machines and all the equipment, and now I was thinking about doing it myself. But I'm so happy I didn't, because that's a lot of work. I really believe that people that are good at their job, well, they have so much value. For instance, if I would be doing that work, it would take me 2 weeks to do it, and, well, in fact, cost me a lot of money because it would go out of my time, I couldn't be able to do my business, and, well, basically these guys do it in half a day. You know, it costs a lot of money, but they're so worth it. I'm cleaning my workshop, and for the first time I have a vacuum in my workshop because we decided to get a new one for the house, and I have this one which is basically broken down but good enough for the workshop, and I have it here, but it kind of freaks me out. You know, I start vacuuming, but what if that's going to be the new standard? Vacuuming the workshop. How clean should a workshop be? It's kind of like, it freaks me out. And I noticed that you asked me a lot of questions on the last video that we made about going on TV. Well, one that rose my eyebrows, wasn't really a comment, but just goes to show why I watch YouTube instead of fake ass TV shows that can't even eat the food. I don't want Instagram beautiful, I want real beautiful. And I totally get that and I totally respect that, but the television world is such an expensive world. It's like an evolved YouTube thing where everything got more expensive, more elaborate, more people involved, more jobs depending on it, more sponsors, more, everything more. And they have to do what they do to make sure that they get the quality and the standards that the networks require. So yeah, it's kind of like, it isn't really fake because I made the recipes and I created everything and I talked to the chef and we made it exactly the same way. So it's not really fake, and I think if you watch the show you will find the same thing, but I do get that feeling. I do understand that there's a little authenticity missing in TV shows, and that's why I love YouTube so much. Next one, isn't it strange to barbecue not as you are used to do it? Someone tells you what you have to do and you can't eat it. Eat it. Probably means eat it. But it is weird, but it's totally weird because I'm not used to that world, and yeah, basically YouTube's that easy. It's like you make it, you see it, you show it, you eat it, and if the pictures aren't that great, that's just fine as long as you're having fun. I think that's what barbecue is about. But yeah, it's totally strange. It's totally weird. To me, it's like weird beyond belief. Paul D commented on the video. I think Morrison's looking sad because he might lose his spot next to Roel and might lose Roel altogether, but that surely is not going to happen. You see, I'm never going to quit YouTube. It's my passion, next to barbecue. It's like the two things I can't live without outside my family. So, don't worry guys, I got you. I'm really digging all the interaction with the comments because it gives me so much insight and so much knowledge about what you guys think of it and what you guys like to see. I really appreciate that. I think it's safe to say I'm not a carpenter, and it's a good thing I didn't build the barn myself. But you gotta choose and pick your battles, and if this door works, I'm pretty happy with myself. But I got another comment that I wanted to share with you guys. This is a one. Please don't quit from Dad's Barbecue. Please don't quit YouTubing. I'm excited for your TV career and hope all goes well with that. A friend, a fellow barbecue YouTuber who's starting a new channel, Me Check Barbecue, said he believes you may be judging Myron Mixon era Franklin soon. Would not doubt that. But I don't think so. You know, between the vlogs and the videos that we make, I don't have time to travel to the US and do some TV show. This is like the one that we're doing now. It's not taking up that much time. It just cost me 3 days to record like a whole season. So I can fit 3 days in, definitely. But like flying to the US and doing like a whole week or 2 weeks even, yeah, it's gonna be difficult. Maybe if I vlog about it, that would of course would work, but it would be like a lot of vlogs. All right, let's see if we can fit this door in and if I did it correctly. This is always one of those moments that I start doubting myself. I know, like, if you give me a measuring tape, I always screw up. It's like, definitely is gonna screw up. So yeah, I guess we'll have to see, right? It is safe to establish that the door fits. The only problem is that the poles that I'm used, they are made from chestnut and they're like lumpy and bumpy and crooked. So the other plank that I'm putting on for the door has got to be like cut out. It's got to be shaped so it fits.
Nice.
Nice, huh? Not bad. As ugly as they come, but it fits the chicken coop perfect. It's like super rural, natural vibe, and it fits me. I think I did a pretty good job. Especially, well, I didn't do the greatest job, but hey, what do you expect if you barbecue for a living? Now I just gotta wait for the door, for the hinges. Now we just gotta wait for the hinges to come and to fit the hinges in the door, and then it's proper done. I love to hear if you enjoyed this DIY stuff, and if you did, then just leave me a comment again, and who knows, we're gonna be putting in more, and who knows, I'm always the same thing, the phone. Ja. Hoi. Ja, goed. Hoe gaat het daar? Hey, ik moet even opruimen en dan ben ik even aan toe. Wife calling. Are you ready for lunch? That's like the single biggest problem you can have with a big property. You have to call each other to talk to each other. This is so weird. But cleanup time for me. Hope you enjoyed this video, and see you guys in the next one.